when people are on the road to recovery, a lot of the work that I do with them is really gut centered. So if you've really gotten things into relative remission or under better regulation, the long term where you can try to create more resilience in that state to keep them from falling back is to definitely work on the gut.
Mm,
But sometimes, as I mentioned, I can't give anything by mouth with some of these people. I have to calm the gut down first.
right.
And if I don't do that, it's not really going to work very well. Even if I bypass the gut altogether, just put things in the veins, it's not really going to work because the gut is still not regulated. And a lot of
In
those
those
people,
cases, that's like
incidentally,
you said, you're doing that kind of desensitization, maybe get some nutrients in IV till they're better, and then you start getting stuff in. Is that
yeah, that's a good way to start with these people if you can. I mean, it's certainly it does work when it works, and sometimes you have to step back even further. But if you can get the desensitization going and get them some basic micronutrients, you'd be surprised how much things can kind of calm down even just at that, so they can
yeah?
accept treatment better. And they may need other types of therapies like limbic system retraining, neurofeedback. Counseling and general trauma work. There's a lot of other obstructive forces because there's the traumas before the illness that may contribute to the illness, and there's the trauma of the illness and not being heard and being gaslighted all day long, over and over and over again. So I wanted to say it's very important to recognize the role of trauma in these illnesses too.